Hello there. Thanks for stopping by Jose's Garage. This video is the first of a two-part series in a narrated pictorial slideshow describing the purchase, shipping, and cost. And in the second video, preparation and installation of an Aqualu 3/4 aluminum tub for a 1978 FJ40 Toyota Land Cruiser, part number 4005. The aluminum tub is made of 5052 marine grade aluminum alloy, 3 times thicker than the stock steel tub and 60% stronger. I purchased the tub from cruiserparts.net in Sullivan, New Hampshire on the 19th of April, 2017, and it was drop shipped from Aqualu in Kelowna, British Columbia. I received the tub 15 days later on the 4th of May at a hardware store in Dover Foxcroft, Maine. You can see in the photos my 1978 FJ40 Toyota Land Cruiser, which the tub was going on. When I restored this cruiser in 2003, the chassis and the running gear was a 78, but the only good body I could find at the time was a 67 FJ40 from Arizona, which I retrofitted on the 78 frame and used the 78 hood and upper body parts. The cost of the Aqualu tub in 2017 was $3,321, and the shipping to Dover Foxcroft, Maine was $800, for a total of $4,121. Now I've included the 2025 cost for reference. The tub is currently $4,662, and the shipping is $1,190. Of course, the shipping would be different to your locale, but the current cost increase is $1,731. And of course, Trump's tariffs will increase the cost of Aqualu aluminum products by 25%. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It helps me a lot, as I'm 933 subscribers shy of monetization. Have a good day.